Hello everyone, I am Neha Malik, faculty of DLED from Technical Institute of Teacher Education. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on features of National Policy of Education 1986. National System on the Principle and Embodied in Constitution. National System of Education will be based on philosophy as contained in the Constitution of India. Common school system. Up to a given level, all students, irrespective of caste, creed, black and white, location of for sex, will have access to education of comparable quality. There is a special provision for education for women, SC, STs, backward classes when you are ready and handicapped in this policy. There is a provision for adult education program for the age group of 15 to 35 years. The common education. The National System of Education recommends the common education structure, that is 10 plus 2 plus 3 elementary system, comprises 5 years of primary education and 3 years for upper primary, followed by 2 years of high school. National Curriculum Framework. There will be a National Curriculum Framework with the common core along with the components that is flexible. The curriculum should be included the essential component like India's freedom struggle, constitutional responsibilities and duties, national identity, etc. Secular values. All education program will be carried on in strict conformity with secular values. Education for peace and understanding. Education will be aimed to strengthening the ideas of peace and understanding. Minimum levels of learning. Minimum levels of learning will be laid down for each stage of education. National integration. Steps will be taken to foster among students an understanding of diverse and cultural and social system of the people living in different parts of the country. Promotion of languages. Beside the promotion of linked languages program will be able launched to increase substantially the translate of books from one language to another and to publish multilingual dictionaries. Facilities inter-regional mobility. In higher education, in general and technical education, in particular, steps will be taken to facilitate inter-regional mobility by providing equal to every Indian of requisite merit regardless of his origin. Lifelong education. Lifelong education is the cherished goal of education process. This presupposes universal literacy, open and distance learning. The future trust will be in the direction of open and distance education. Education for equality. The new policy will be lay emphasis on the removal of disparities and equalized opportunities by attending it to the specific needs of those who have denied equality so far. This includes education for women's equality, SC, STs, backward sections, minorities, and handicapped. Adult education. The nation must pledge itself to the education of the illiteracy, particularly in the 15 to 35 age group. A vast program of adult and continuing education will be implemented through various ways and channels. Early Childhood Care Education ECCE. Program of ECCE will be child-centered. A full integration of child care and pre-primary education will be both as a feeder and the strengthening factor of primary education for human resources development. Computer literacy. Computer literacy program will run on wide level and starting from the school level. Education technology. Education technology will be used in teachers' training and qualitative improvement in education. Textbooks. In the all fields of education, efforts should be made for availability of books at low prices. Evaluation and examination. With the help of evaluation, development of the students will be made. A reliable grades will be used in place of marks. Semester system will be implemented. Expenditure on education. Efforts will be made that up to 8th planning, the expenditure on education may be to a level of 6% of national income. Teachers training. For training of teachers, different training institutes at various levels will be introduced. Encouragement to voluntary organization. Cooperation of non-government organizations will be taken in the field of education. Sports and physical education. These will be included in the evaluation. Yoga classes will be started at schools. Work experience. It will be provided with the help of well-structured and good program. Mathematics and science teaching. Mathematics and science teaching will be restructured according to the new technological instruments so that values like spirit of curiosity, creativity, courage to ask questions may be developed. So, I hope you understand the topic Features of National Policy of Education 1986. Thank you very much.